How to cancel a visible plan step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Visible application, or you can get into visible.com on any sort of website, right? Any sort of browser, right? So after doing that, now make sure that you are logged into your Visible account. So after making sure that you are logged in, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you will be able to see right here. And after tapping on profile icon, you'll be able to get into your account settings. And then from your account settings, you'll be able to see the option of payment. What you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find payment, then tap on it, and then you'll be able to see the option of auto pay in there. So what you're going to do is simply tap on auto pay and make sure that auto pay is turned off. After making sure that it is turned off, now it will allow current monthly cycle to end. To close the plan, it will automatically close the plan once your current monthly cycle ends. So yeah, that is exactly how you will be able to cancel your Visible plan.